Hello colleagues, and be welcome to our in-depth exploration of RedStripe circular saw blades. In this session, we'll explore the fundamental characteristics and advantages of this range, an essential asset in the woodworking world. RedStripe circular saw blades, also known as TCT, acronym for tungsten carbide tip blades, are compatible with a wide range of circular saws, including table saws, miter saws, and handheld circular saws. Anatomy of a circular saw blade. A circular saw blade for wood is made up of a steel body with tungsten carbide tipped teeth and the bore. Let's check further details. The tungsten carbide tips, or teeth, provide the cutting edges of the blade, offering exceptional durability and sharpness. Tungsten carbide is a hard and durable material, offering several key advantages over traditional steel teeth. It maintains its sharpness longer, resulting in cleaner and more precise cuts. It also resists wear and tear, extending the lifespan of the blade. The steel body provides the blade's structure and strength. Last, the bore, which is the central hole that connects the blade to the saw spindle. It is also relevant to know the function of the slots on the blade. The slots serve to prevent lateral vibration, both in idling and cutting. In short, supports the blade stability. Typical applications: carpentry, cutting and shaping wood for construction and furniture making. Flooring, cutting and installing wood and laminate flooring. Cabinetry, cutting and shaping wood for cabinets and shelving. Upon reviewing the fundamental characteristics of RedStripe circular saw blades, it is pertinent to examine their primary advantages. A reliable and tough foundation for efficiently working without the need of spending more for that. Price and performance as a one-step solution. RedStripe,